Hello and welcome to my book talk. My name is Diana and I work at the Hampton Park branch of the Forsyth County Public Library. And I would like to talk to you today about one of my favorite books, and that is The Good Girl by Mary Kobika. This was Mary Kobika's debut novel back in 2014. It's a very thrilling and suspenseful book, and one that will keep you on the edge of your seat, one that you will not be able to put down. It is about a kidnapping that takes place of a young lady named Mia Dennett. She is a school teacher in the heart of Chicago. Her father is a prominent judge. They are very well known and a very wealthy family. She goes to a bar one night to meet her boyfriend, and he does not show up. So she sees another good-looking young gentleman named Colin Thatcher in the bar and ends up going home with him instead. He does not take her home. He takes her to a secluded cabin in Minnesota. Nothing is as it seems in this book, and Mia and Colin will end up developing a type of relationship that will be very interesting, and readers will actually sympathize with these two main characters. Um, the book takes place in three different points of view. That of Gabe, who is the private investigator who's working on the case. Eve, who is Mia's mother, who is very distraught and thinks back of everything that she has ever done wrong as a mother. And then also Colin, who is the gentleman who took Mia and kidnapped her. As you're reading the book, you will go back and forth before the kidnapping and after the kidnapping. Mia is eventually found and she is alive. Um, and also, she has a type of amnesia where she does not remember exactly what happened, which makes the book a lot more interesting. So definitely check out the book. There's a huge twist at the end, one that just was, to me, very well thought out and just a fantastic twist. So I hope that you enjoy this book. Definitely check it out. You can download it off of Overdrive on the library website. If you have any trouble, you can always give us a shout out and we can help you with that. And from all of us at Forsyth County Public Library, thank you so much for joining me, and we know books.